Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of this weekend. And in this video, we'll talk about Bitcoin again. Yesterday was quite a volatile day again. Wanted to break above 31k. In the end, didn't manage to do so, even though 31,000 is not that major of a level. But alright, didn't manage to do so. Drop back down to the 236 fib around 30,250, and that is kind of where we are right now. So just wanted to do a quick overview of kind of yesterday, today, this weekend, and then perhaps also a bit next week, but just in general, I'll try to give you as much of a thorough overview of what you can expect from Bitcoin, and therefore also a bit with crypto, of course. Now, before we get into that though, if you want to receive daily trading signals, we're about to end another profitable week. Then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join that group. And also trade results. If I said that, I'm sorry, then I said it twice. But now onto Bitcoin. So yesterday was a bit of a weird day. We got some bearish momentum throughout the afternoon. The dollar strength index, it's also what we said yesterday, was fairly strong in the afternoon. That was, I think, the main cause of this bearish momentum. But in the end, we managed to hold our levels. I mean, at level, especially around 30k, we dropped down there once. That held, and right now, I mean, as most of you know, it's the weekend. Volatility and volume drops down quite a bit now. Ethereum's volume is still pretty high, but Ethereum obviously also moved a bit more than Bitcoin. But you can see that the volume peaked around 22.5 billion at around in the night. And then when the US went to sleep and everybody got into the weekend, it dropped down. I expect this to drop down further. So in general, I expect less volatility. And I expect it to pick back up tomorrow, probably. Sometimes Saturday afternoon, you still have some movement, especially in these times when a lot of things are happening. But yeah, all right. So if we then talk about Bitcoin, what's the most likely scenario? Right now, if you take a look at market structure, you have this amazing level between ultimately, I would say, 29,500 or 29,700 and 30,000. Massive support level, and that's great. Apart from that, when the market opens, so we'll talk a bit about that already, the dollar strength index is at a major resistance. So that's probably going to drop down, which is bullish for Bitcoin. Whether we will react that bullish to it, we'll still have to see. But overall, I would say that Bitcoin is still bullish. As I said as well, and we talked about that yesterday as well, we tried to break above 31k. 31k is not actually that strong of a level. I think the only reason why we dropped down was the dollar strength index, which was just at a massive support, right? Just a technical support. But with dollar strength index being at resistance, we still have the interest rate coming, I think not next week, but the week after. There's just more bullish fundamentals in the air than bearish fundamentals. And then the technicals are also, as most of you know, still very, very bullish. So altogether, what I expect is that today and tomorrow will probably be relatively flat, but I think the most likely scenario next week is that we will, we might drop down to 30k at 29,700, but that from there at some point we will be able to break above 31,000 and to get up to our next resistance level, which in my eyes is 31,300 and 31,700 in that level, kind of between that. That's what I think the most likely scenario is. Now, I'll keep you up to date on when I think that's going to happen and how I think that's going to happen. For now, it's pretty general, I guess. But yeah, that's my take on it for now. If you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. But for now, enjoy your weekend. Take care and bye.